since I took the time to open up my computer, I figured I'd show you it. So here we go. So it's a Formula 5 or Formula V Asus motherboard, and I got a good old 965 Phenom in there, and plain old HyperX DDR3 RAM. It's 1333. It can go up to 16, but I don't bother. I need better RAM. I need a better CPU too. Anyway, old EVGA 580. It's the 1.5 gigahertz model, not the 3. I should have got the 3. Anyway, power supply is a Ultra X4 at 1050 watts. It's plenty, more than enough. 2 storage drives. One's 2 terabyte, one's 1 terabyte. They're both Western Digital. One's the green and one's the black. Who made this? Well, it's a Coolant reservoir thing for the pump, and the pump is the SwiftTech Coolants. It's one or the other. Coolermaster fan, SwiftTech radiator over here. No wait, you need more light. There we go. SwiftTech radiator over here. Some Antec spot cools. The temperatures are fine. HyperX dual cooler for the RAM. That's a NZXT that came with the case. I got one that came with the case. I got another one. What else? Got a card reader. It's an NZXT card reader. It's the only one that really looked any good. Got the LG Blu-ray writer, writes on anything basically. Let's go to the back so you can see all the actually not bad cable management. Oh, you need light. Hold on. You need light. Alright. I got a OZZ for my Windows install. That's 240, I think. Yeah. And then I got a plain old SanDisk solid state drive for Linux. I got Windows 7 and Windows 7 Pro, and what is it? Ultimate Edition Black Opal. Yeah, I still use the old one, 12.04 Ubuntu. I need a better one, probably. All the cooling and tubing you saw, aside from the tubing that came from up the street, it's all Coolant's parts, Coolant's fittings, and the Coolant's CPU block as well. And yeah, look at that. Let's back up. Let's back up. Look at that cable management. Look at it. Do you see that? Look at it. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, this is not long enough to go all the way around, but it still gets the job done. So I got a nice hole there, and yeah, good cable management. And I'm using every single fan, plus the fans on the motherboard as well. Yeah. Behind the front, I have 3 fans for the radiator that go in. So I really don't have a push-pull except at the bottom, but this actually works because these fans, these are the Corsair AAF 121, something like that, and they normally come with a little accessory piece that goes around the fan, like right there. And I took those off, so now there's enough space, and you need light, enough space for air to go through here. And since this has an opening on the side, which the thing fell out, so I gotta put that back in. Air can go right in on the side, and it keeps it nice and cool. Yeah. Alright, so that's my old build. It's been running for 2 years, maybe 3, I don't know. I just decided to redo the loop a little. I changed the inlet to here instead of going there. Hope that made sense. And now it goes out right there, goes into the CPU. Changed a few of the fittings so that they'd be a little tighter. Time makes them loose. Hopefully it holds the shape better, because before I had it, just about right, but some of the fittings, they got hot and then they got loose and they started leaning, and yeah, leaning's not good. Anyway, it's running, it's stable, and temperature is right there. There you go. Yeah. 46, 39. The 46 is the CPU and 39 is the GPU. Yeah. Yeah, it stays nice and cool. And you can see what day it is, what time it is. Yeah, that's nice. Now that the computer's been on for a while, the temperatures are stable at 46 degrees Celsius on the CPU and back up 40 degrees on the GPU. And now you know. Alright. Finally did what I said I was going to do. Show you the build. So if I ever upgrade anything, I'll get a 8350 or 8370, put it in there for the CPU, get a nice 980, or I'd even take a 780 at this point, wouldn't even matter. But it's fine right now. All I do is play Dota anyway. Peace.